Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of science. In today's video, we're diving into the fundamental topic of DNA, the building blocks of life. If you've ever wondered what DNA is and how it works, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a student or just someone curious about genetics, this beginner's guide will unravel the secrets of DNA. So, let's get started. What is DNA? DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material that carries the instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms. It's essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is found in nearly every cell of our bodies, and it's incredibly diverse. DNA structure. DNA has a unique structure resembling a twisted ladder, often referred to as a double helix. The backbone of this ladder consists of sugar and phosphate molecules, while the rungs are made up of 4 nucleotide bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. These bases pair up in a complementary way, with A always pairing with T, and C always pairing with G. DNA function. DNA carries genetic information through the sequence of its bases. This sequence acts as a code that determines the characteristics and traits of an organism. Genes, which are specific sections of DNA, provide instructions for producing proteins, the building blocks of our bodies. Proteins play crucial roles in our growth, development, and overall functioning. DNA replication. One of the most incredible processes involving DNA is replication. Replication allows cells to make copies of their DNA, ensuring that each new cell receives an identical set of genetic information. Let's take a closer look at how DNA replication occurs. Enzymes and replication fork. Enzymes play a key role in DNA replication. They unwind the double helix and create a replication fork, where new strands of DNA are synthesized. The 2 strands of the original DNA molecule act as templates for the creation of 2 new daughter strands. Base pairing and proofreading. During replication, new nucleotides are added to the growing strands according to the base pairing rules, A with T and C with G. Additionally, special enzymes ensure that errors are minimized by proofreading the newly synthesized DNA strands. DNA and heredity. Now that we understand the basics of DNA, let's explore how it influences our heredity, the passing of traits from parents to offspring. Genes and alleles. Genes are specific segments of DNA that carry instructions for a particular trait. Different versions of a gene, called alleles, can exist. These alleles contribute to the variations we see in traits among individuals. Dominant and recessive traits. Some traits are dominant, meaning they will be expressed in an individual if at least one of the alleles is dominant. On the other hand, recessive traits require both alleles to be recessive in order to be expressed. Punnett squares. Punnett squares are a helpful tool to predict the probability of inheriting certain traits. By combining the possible alleles from each parent, we can determine the potential outcomes for their offspring. DNA technology and applications. DNA technology has revolutionized various fields, from medicine to forensics. Let's explore some of the practical applications of DNA science. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing allows us to determine the precise order of nucleotides in a DNA molecule. This technique has paved the way for advancements in personalized medicine, genetic research, and ancestry testing. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering involves manipulating DNA to introduce new genes or modify existing ones. This field has contributed to advancements in agriculture, medicine, and the production of valuable substances. Forensic DNA analysis. Forensic scientists use DNA analysis to identify individuals and solve crimes. DNA fingerprinting, a technique based on the unique DNA sequences in each individual, has revolutionized criminal investigations. DNA is truly a remarkable molecule that holds the key to understanding life itself. We've only scratched the surface of this vast topic in our beginner's guide. If you want to delve deeper into the world of DNA, keep exploring and learning. The more we understand about DNA, the more we unlock the mysteries of life. Please subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks.